Hello my hair warriors, it's Aaron O'Brien here, and what am I here to teach you today? Well, have you ever had a faded hair system and you want to take it up a notch? Well, I'm here to show you. Today's video is sponsored by Lordhair.com. They are absolutely fantastic with the best systems on the market. So take a little visit, check them out. To start off, one of the best systems to color are the thin skin hair systems. Unlike lace, they don't really discolor when you do put a hair color onto them. So these are always the best ones to color. If you are using a lace system, make sure that you keep it away from the base as much as possible because you do not want to darken the base because it makes your system look less natural. So you're not hiding anything from anybody. So to start off, we want to make sure that you cleanse the system really well before applying the color. If there's any impurities or buildup on your system, it's going to be harder to break barriers and to cover every single hair. So I like to use simple washing up liquid, not only for washing dishes, but for washing hair systems. Enjoy. Or you can use the branded Blonde Me. This is a detoxifying hair system shampoo, which also works extremely well. And I do put my trust a little bit more in this than I do in this because it's a bit more gentle, but does the same job. You can check it out at their website on Schwarzkopf. They're fantastic. So when you are using this, you're going to make sure that you are very gentle. So when washing the system, you use maybe about a dime size amount and you start to rub it into the system. You wash really carefully on the thin skin itself, turn it around, and then you do not massage heavily but very gently, pulling it through the hair, and that's going to give it a nice cleansing wash. I'm going to prep you before you color. Once everything is cleansed, this is the first color that we have going on. These are your color conditioners and the most gentle on your hair systems, but it doesn't have the longevity of most colors because they do wash out after a few washes. This is one of my fan favorites. This is the Revlon Professional Color Cream. This is a color conditioner, and when I say color conditioner, it has a bit of pigment. So this one, for example, is a 513, which is one of their darkest browns with a bit of ash and a bit of gold. That's the 13. And will help neutralize the system and help refresh it with some condition agents, making it feel really soft. And this is my utmost favorite. This is my favorite out of all of my color conditioners. This is the Chroma Id from Schwarzkopf. This comes in a multitude of colors, very gentle on the system, makes it feel like absolute silk. And not only that, it doesn't stick to the base as much as most color conditioners do, and it's very easy to wash off. Usually I leave these on the hair for about maybe 5 to 10 minutes, or if you want a darker look, you can leave it on a little bit longer. Not forgetting that systems are a little bit different than real hair due to treatments that are done on the systems. They take color and are a little bit more absorbent because they are dry or naturally textured or whatever else. It does pull color fast. So make sure to keep your eye on it. When applying, wet your system down, make sure it's completely saturated, and then start to apply your color conditioner. Start from the end, working your way close to the root, and you can spread a little bit on the base of your system if it is a thin skin. If it is a lace system, be very careful, try your best to keep it off the lace. Once that's done, you're going to rinse it out. You don't even have to condition afterwards. If you feel you have a little bit of residue, use a normal conditioning shampoo to just wash that residue off. You're still going to have the vibrancy of the color afterwards. If you want to step up and get something that has more longevity, a semi-permanent color is all you need. Semi-permanents are a fantastic way to really enhance and get more life out of your system, adding shine, gloss as they like to say, and really pumping that color into your hair system. What I will say though is when you are using a semi-permanent color, use equal parts of water. So you're going to mix that in with your formulation before you even put it onto your system. These colors tend to grab really quickly and can go quite dark. When you have your mixture ready to go, you're going to apply it on a wet system, applying from the ends, working your way to the roots. Because we have diluted the product, if you are wearing a thin skin base, you can bring it close to the root or onto the base for a short period of time. If you do have a lace base, make sure again, do not put it directly on the system. If you want, you can leave it off around the hairline and don't get it right to the base there, and you can apply everywhere else, just so you have realism around your frontal hairline. This usually sits on regular hair for 20 minutes, but on a hair system, I would tend to leave it for about maybe 5 to 10 minutes max. Once this is done, you're gonna make sure that you wash it really well using a hydrating shampoo and conditioning right afterwards. You're gonna make sure you condition this properly using either a conditioner or a leave-in spray. And then you have your system pumped up, ready to go, and looking vibrant. Color number 3 is for blondes. You can use a semi-permanent color blonde. You can use a conditioner as well, a color conditioner, but my all-time favorite is a purple or anti-yellowing treatment, which is mine, the Bye Bye Brassy, AOB's Bye Bye Brassy, a fan favorite. So this is very simple to use. You can use it on its own if you want your blondes to look silver, or if you just want to enhance your blonde and give shine and get rid of any yellow in the hair, you can use 1 part Bye Bye Brassy to 1 part shampoo. Very, very easy to use. You're gonna do 1 shampoo with your normal shampoo. Then afterwards, you're gonna place this in your hair like you would with any other wash. Leave it sit for about maybe 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how silver you actually want your hair. Once that's done, you're gonna rinse, and then you're gonna condition immediately afterwards. Again, be careful of your bases. You don't wanna stain them. You have a little bit more leeway when it comes to thin skin, but if you're using your lace base, just be a little bit more aware. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for Lordhair for sponsoring with their amazing systems. They're brilliant, I love them, and we'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, watch, all that, like, just follow me. And if you want any more information, there's so many videos I have on my channel.